Let's talk about how to build a 24/7 crypto trading AI that finds trades while you sleep. So most traders seem to fail for one simple reason, that they try to outwash the market. But when you consider crypto markets that trade 24/7, liquidity rotating across regions, whales accumulating at very odd hours, funding shifting overnight, in liquidations cascading. Sometimes when you're offline, the edge is no longer just having a good analysis, it's actually automation, right? So you need to have the reaction speed, and today that's what we want to focus on: how you can actually get a 24/7 AI trading workflow that scans the market continuously and also detects opportunities automatically for you, and giving you alerts when action matters, and executing trade on liquid exchanges, and managing that risk without emotion, without you actually coding anything, and you're not staring at charts, right? So there's a new trading model. Obviously here we're looking at humans versus machines, and obviously you can't beat the markets by working harder anymore. It's really just about delegating observation to machines and keeping human judgment for execution. That's why AI agents are really taking over. It's not just a myth. These tools really kind of help you. So for example, let's go step by step. The brain, right, which is the market intelligence agent, which could be a co-layer. Instead of manually checking across socials to gauge sentiment, maybe Twitter, Telegram, whatever you use, or on-chain trackers and charts, you use a single intelligence engine like ASCN.AI. The link is in the description, so you can go check it out and get a discount as well. So what it does, for example, it scans blockchain activity, detects those smart money movements, and also identifies any abnormal trading behavior, and kind of surfacing those opportunities instead of just the noise. And really pretty much the biggest mistake that most retail traders make, right, is that they're always analyzing price instead of analyzing behavior. So price is the result, behavior is typically the cause. The agent monitors cause. So ASCN.AI is a good product that I use myself personally. And when you look at a step 2 process where you have the radar continuous opportunity detection here, you want a system that's also running 24/7, watching for those whale accumulations, the funding regime shifts, those liquidation migrations, also sudden volatility expansion or coordinated entries. And then on the execution layer side, where money is actually made, once an opportunity or pops up, execution must be fast, and you should have liquidity, right? So these are ideal execution venues that depending on the strategy and type you might want to use. If it's options, you might want to use a platform like Deribit, right? If you want to check out the full review of Deribit, it's on our platform. Check out the link to the full article as well, so you can get started on those platforms and get promo discounts, rebates, and good trading bonuses and things like that. You can use a platform like Bybit, as well as K6 if you want to do that, no KYC, or if you want real liquidity in the altcoin markets on MEXC or BingX or Blowfin and things like that, or BTCC, which has great rewards as well. Or you can check out dexes like Drift or Paradex or Avo if you want to do non-custodial trading. But you can also get all the good high liquidity depth platforms like OKX and BitGet, etc. All the links will be in the description, and also just go to the main article, see exactly the breakdowns, which platforms you should use for what, right? And at the end of the day, like I said, when it comes to the risk engine itself, most traders try to automate entries. A few automate for survival. So you want the rules to be followed by the system, making sure that it never chases moves. Its size is based on volatility, and trades when probability shifts, and ignores the noise and things like that. And then obviously that notification layer, which is always good. And then you have a full workflow, an AI that scans markets continuously, detects all those abnormal behaviors and filters, and for high probability setups for you as well. And that lets you as a trader executing on liquid venues, and risks being adjusted and monitored in an automatic way. My intelligence system that I like to use, definitely ASCN.AI. The link is in the description. Make sure you use the referral code and get started, and let me know what your experience is. Peace.